Hi, please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Frank. I'm from Heybike. Yeah, so I'm the regional sales manager here. Our bikes are just amazing because nowadays we sell 150,000 bikes per year. Yeah, so the one you're looking at is the latest commuter model we have, and that's a lightweight commuter. Yeah, it's a dual sensor which allows you to switch between cadence and torque sensor. Yeah, and how much does it weigh? It weighs only like 70 pounds, yeah. 60 to 70 pounds, super light, yeah.
So it's very easy to get around with it?
Yeah, I mean, if you live in the downtown or anywhere like something like that, it will be more convenient for you for work, you know, for commuting the whole city, yeah.
So let's walk around your booth.
Yeah,
I see some bikes around here.
Yeah.
What are these? This is similar?
This is just a different color. This is a white Venus, yeah.
Right.
And the tire is 27. It's a little larger than those folding bikes, yeah.
And these are?
Yeah, now we're looking at the dirt bikes. So this is the latest dirt bike model we have. It's called Villain, yeah. So for the front tire is 14 inches. For the back it's 12, yeah.
What's the range on this?
Yeah, so for our dirt bikes usually we have 50 to 60 miles compared to those e-bikes because they have a stronger power. They need more like electricity and stuff, yeah.
Nice, so it can go uphill. What is a hybrid? What does that mean?
Hybrid, this is the enhanced version of Venus. So everything is improved and enhanced in terms of the battery, in terms of the, basically everything. It rides more smooth compared to Venus, yeah. And for this one, what's amazing about it is you can ride it up to 110 miles, yeah. This is really for long commuting, yeah.
Nice. Let's walk around your booth. What's on the other side?
Yeah, so we can just check out the best two selling folding bikes. Yeah. So I think we can start with the Mars 3. Yeah. So the blue one is a Mars 3.
So it folds.
Yeah. So this is a typical folding bike, which allows you to fold. You can just put it in your truck or anywhere you want because it's super flexible and super compact.
And you can fit one in the trunk or two of them even?
Definitely. If you only like want to fill up your whole trunk, it's gonna be like 4 to 5 in total you can carry. Yeah.
Nice. So the whole family can have fun.
Yeah.
And you can just go somewhere cool and just bike over there.
Yeah, yeah. And this one has full suspension, which makes it easier to ride.
Nice. What is this? Different color, the same?
Now we're looking at Ranger 3 Pro. So compared to Mars 3, we have better range, better miles. Yeah, so for the Mars 3, we have like 65 miles for that one. But for this one, it's improved on miles, which allows you to go up to 85 miles. And this one has full suspension as well. Hydraulic front suspension and the nitrogen rear suspension, yeah.
How good is the suspension?
You can feel it. I mean, you can see how the suspension, you see how easy you can.
Nice.
Yeah, so usually for fat tire folding bikes, this allows you to handle pretty much every situations, no matter if it's in the city or like off-road situations. Yeah, because it tire.
What's the Helio?
Well, for Helio, this is our European model. Yeah. So basically, this one is selling crazy in Europe. Yeah.
Super nice folding mechanism.
Yeah, and
super
for
compact.
this one,
you can put it in a subway, take it on a train.
Yeah, you can take to the subway. And this one is the lightest weight. It only weighs 18 kilo. Yeah. So
18?
18 kilo in total.
So I can carry it like easy?
Yeah, you can carry it with only one hand. It's possible, yeah. See how light it is?
How can you make it so light?
Aluminum? Yeah, so we're just trying to make everything light as possible, especially like when people, those people who are living in a downtown area, so which makes it easier to carry anywhere you want.
And the battery is right there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the battery is a pretty compact. Yeah, it's pretty
And
compact.
there's some electronics going on. What's the range, you think?
The range, we can check out the specs here. You see, it can go up to 75 miles with pass mode.
So you can
Yeah.
go all the way to Hoover Dam and back.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this
That's
is
pretty far. And
is.
here's Polaris. What does this one do?
Yeah, so for Polaris, we're not like really selling this model yet because this is more like a prototype. We're just showing for the demonstration. Yeah.
So what's going to do in the future, this one?
So for this one, it's a little bit expensive. So I think the price is gonna be like around 3,000 to 4,000. Yeah.
And it's going to be explorer, adventure, kind of like...
Yeah, it's more like a combination of commuting and off-road. Yeah.
So you were mentioning 150,000. So are you a big company in this industry of electric bikes?
We believe we are doing really good in the market nowadays. Because if you search up online, we sell 150,000 bikes per year, like I said. So in terms of the total sales, we rank at the top 3. Yeah.
So that means you have a big factory.
Yeah, we have 5 or 6 warehouses nationwide. And in Cali, we have 2 warehouses. One is in the Riverside and one is in the City of Industry, which allows you to do pickups. Yeah, everything is easier, yeah.